No one ever builds statues of me smiling.
I'm divine, not miserable.
With me. What's the hardest part of your job?
When the ink spills, and it's your only scroll.
I lift stones all day so a dead man can feel tall forever.
What's your job like? I dance for the gods, and occasionally for drunk scribes. Depends who's paying.
Mostly wondering why I'm doing the Pharaoh's washing while he gets embalmed in gold.
But no, I'm fine.
I am Ra, bringer of the sun, but I also run the fish stall on weekdays.
What's your role in society?
Made 3 sales, got accused of sorcery, and my goat ran off with the change, so could be worse. Did you ever climb the pyramid? Yes. Once. Never again. My back still remembers. I remove brains through the nose. Gets easier once you stop making eye contact.